Ladies and gentlemen, the cast of the 2013 Royal Edinburgh Military Tattoo. And with the Guard of Honour from the Black Watch, the 3rd Battalion Royal Regiment of Scotland is the regiment's mascot, Lance Corporal Cruachan IV, and his pony major, Corporal Mark Wilkinson. And now, Archie Goodman, one of the members of this year's tattoo choir from Erskine Stewart's Melville Schools in Edinburgh, sings a song which topped the charts for Louis Armstrong in 1968. What a wonderful world.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue, clouds of white, brightless days, dark sacred nights, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, "How do you do?" They're really saying, "I love you." I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
And as we look up at the sky above our wonderful world, to the planets of our galaxy and the vastness of the many galaxies beyond them, we have an extra treat for you with our display of fireworks. As the sun sets on our tattoo day and we reflect on our place in this vast universe, the first bright star which rises in the evening is the green planet Venus. And our thoughts turn to the many men and women of Her Majesty's forces in action in other parts of the world tonight, at sea, on land, and in the air, serving this country with devotion and pride. And we think too of the families left at home to worry and in sadness. We think of those brave men and women who will not be returning. We will always remember them. And as our salute to their courage and loyalty, the mass bands will play the evening hymn, I Vow to Thee, My Country. Then from high on the castle ramparts, with the Scottish National War Memorial at his back, the lone piper, Lance Sergeant Ali Gordon of the Scots Guards, will play in memory of all those servicemen who lost their lives in the far-off conflict to liberate the Korean Peninsula, which ended in armistice 60 years ago this year. Reflections of Panmunjom.